Greetings, everyone who may be a pinhead like me or just curious about pinball. This is my first pinball machine. I'm very proud to have a 1981 Williams Barry Ausler designed Jungle Lord.
Fight Jungle Tiger and win!
Got it from a guy in Fort Worth, Texas. Dan Martin, you can find him on Facebook. He does sell pinball and he's a great pinball player. And I just wanted to document some things I'm going to do to try to improve the game's playability. Got a weak flipper here on the right side. Sometimes it sticks, like not pressing the button, sticking a little bit, may have mechanical, electrical issues. So I'm going to document a few repairs that I'm going to do that I've never done with a pinball machine. I've never owned a pinball machine. I've never repaired a pinball machine. I don't know very much about them, but yeah. So this process will just be me trying to get my Jungle Lord as playable and as fun and as cool as I know this pinball machine is. One thing that I've noticed here is when the ball goes down in the trough, it doesn't know it's there unless it pushes the button. Then it knows. Then it knows the ball's lost, drained, you know. And then it kicks out. So there's an issue there I'll have to figure out. There's some other issues here and there. That stuck flipper. Yeah. Play with my right hand only. See how I can. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I'll get to cleaning it today, and playfield is, it's what you expect from a 1981 pinball machine that hasn't had Mylar, I guess. No, I don't see Mylar. A bit uneven there. Certainly some dirt. Let's see. Get a wipe on there. Wipe it. Let's wipe the Jungle Lord. Yeah. There's some dirt. So I'll work on that one at a time. I got some lights that are out in track mode. I saw that light 1, 3, and 5 were out. The D in the bagatelle here, that you get all 4 of these letters, creates a multi-ball. The D light is out, and there's a few other lights, lamps that are out. I'm going to put the number 47, the lower voltage variant, in today, hopefully, and maybe look at the flipper, see what's going on. I already got a flipper rebuild kit for all 4 coming in the eBay, and any other things that I see happen to see or research to find out why things are sticking, or I need to press this button when the ball is lost. Yep, see, press the button, now it knows, now it kicks out. So it is kicking out of the trough okay. There's 2 balls in this game. Look like they're in good shape. Yeah, look like these balls don't have rust. Rusty balls are bad in this game. Anyway, all looks okay. Maybe the drop targets are not so bueno. It's sticking though. Playfield's got some. Yeah, see, it doesn't know the ball is drained. Unless I do this. No, it knows. Love the voicing, whoever did that. Sounds so cool. Hey, Jungle Lord. So, plan is, from the attract mode, replace bulbs that I know are weak, or maybe that bulb still works, it's just weak, like that one there. Maybe, okay, yeah, I think I see what's going on. That one is just kind of a residual light from number 2. So 1, 3, 5 look to be out. That should be flashing. It's not, that's not, and so on and so on and so on. So more to come, but man, I'm happy to get a pinball, my first pinball, Jungle Lord. It is so cool. It's such a fun game. It's a lot like a game I played when I was a youngin' called Black Knight with upper lower playfield. Also back when I was like 12, me and my neighbor Dan would play the local pinball at the 7-Eleven nearby our house called Flash Gordon. Flash had the upper lower playfield. I think it only had one flipper. This has two. Black Knight had two. So yeah, really excited to have this machine. Really look forward to putting some love and getting it back 100%. I'm gonna put a custom topper on top. I've got some cool knickknacks from West Africa that I think would make a great topper. So more to come. Thanks for joining in on my journey here to Restungle Jungle Lord.